to make hair grow faster naturally with food at home. If you have a history of hair loss in your family and usually have an unhealthy diet, you can experience greater hair loss. You need the right diet to stimulate hair growth, which starts by cutting down the following foods. Number 1. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are found in high-sugar foods like white flour, bread, ice cream, biscuits, and cakes. These foods may also cause stress, leading to hair loss. Start a diet rich in complex carbohydrates like whole grains and beans. Number 2. Sweet cereals. These cereals have a high glycemic index and spike blood sugar levels. They contain artificial coloring agents that may cause hair thinning. Number 3. Greasy foods. Fried, greasy foods add to your waistline and may also lead to hair loss. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.